Shalom, my beautiful people. You see the title? I just want to give a quick update on my hair growth. This is what my hair looks like now. I took it out. I had like 2-strand twists. I styled it, and this is what it looks like. My hair has grown so much. I'm gonna insert a picture in here so you can see the before and after. And yes, my hair has grown a lot. Yeah, what I've been doing is putting castor oil in my hair, and I make this blue lotus oil. It's not, my website is down right now, so if you're looking for it, I don't have it up right now, but I will be putting it back up. But yes, I make this blue lotus oil and I put it on my scalp at night, and I massage my hair, and it has been helping my hair grow. And it smells so good, so it's like an anointing oil, I guess you can say that. But yes, y'all, this is the hair. Yes, I'm thankful for my mane. It's came a long way. Yes, it has. It's came a long way. And I just retwisted it not too long ago. So, it's a little update. And I think I'm going on 2 years in 3 months. 2 years and 3 months. And this is what it looks like, y'all. 2 years and 3 months, okay? I'm going to show you the back. If I can show you the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. On my neck. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. But if you want more videos like this, comment. And love, peace, happiness.